So today, this shower is quite a fancy one. What it does is it comes up through the ceiling. Then that is a main power box, pump, supply, cable. It looks complicated, but I'm hoping it's fairly simple. So we will see. And this system is for the tank, a cold water tank and a hot water tank, and it's going to pump it out of it to give it a power shower. So this is the first one I've done.
It would work better on stud work.
Yeah, and it would work better on stud work. I've had to put a channel in that wall for this, so just bear in mind that it should go on stud work. So what I've done is I've read the instructions. Instructions fairly simple. Everything goes through the roof, goes along, connect it to the tank, connect this feed to that pump, connect that feed to the pump, drop this cable down here which I've got in the wall there, put a tube in for it, switch it on and it should work. According to the pictures on the instructions, that's all we have to do. So it's fairly simple. So we'll see how it all goes together. It's whether the fittings go together properly. Need to make some support upstairs first. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be getting rid of this pump, and then I'm going to put some board down, and we're going to put a new Myra pump on here, and then we're going to use the feeds what already coming off tank down. We're just going to cut that off, and we're just going to run it neatly down, straight down there, take all that off and run it neatly into a platform here, and then the head is going to come up over there, and same as the other part, but I'm going to have a look because we might be hitting one of these braces, so that might be a bit tricky, but we'll manage. To line everything up, all I've done is I've used my laser, so it lines up with the fan, the lights, and then coming down the wall there, and then all I'm going to do is just drill my holes, bish bash bosh, shower on. I keep telling everybody, best tile bits you'll ever use, bish bash bosh, MJC, kitchen and bathroom. Get it on your mark. Give it a little wiggle, keep it wet, porcelain tiles. Get that, beautiful. Next thing, very close to it. The more you wet them, the longer it'll last. Otherwise it'll do that. Snap off like that. But you just get another one and you crack on.
£10 a pack, it don't matter if they break, does it, mate?
No, £10 a pack, it don't matter if it breaks. Better than waiting 50 minutes to drill it, just get it out.
Do you know, I can't get it out of my mind when you're talking. It might have scarred me. Do you remember that advert?
Yeah.
He's held down the Mike's carpet.
He's held down. These are the best you'll ever see on market. £10 a pack. Plus postage.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. That's £2 for postage, £10 a pack for paint. Even a one-handed man could do this. And these are really, you're not going to get any harder porcelain than these tiles. Straight through, like Bish bash bosh, MJC, 6mm tile bits. You're mad not to buy some. The link's on my page. Click on it, buy some. £10.
Make a great gift for Christmas.
Yeah, good gift for Christmas. Get your lass to buy you some. So what you need to do, make sure you always silicone. Don't forget the silicone. People say I'm mad on silicone. I love silicone. You know why? Because it blocks the holes. You know why you want to block the holes? Because you don't want water in there, do you? You know what I mean? So you block the holes up, screw the screws in. I'm going to have to get my own screws because the lad who's supposed to be passing me stuff, he's dreaming about their lass or something. You know what I mean? So I have to do it all by myself. I might as well be here by myself. You know what I mean?
Which colour?
With this, what we're going to do, we're going to seal this all up here, put beady silicone around that. We're not bothered about it coming off. So this ever comes off, the pole will come out. Just a bead like that. And then that will go through there. On there, like so. Look at that, like a glove. What you got to remember is, you don't want no gaps here. Even though this is the first one I've fit like this, all the Myra showers are always like this. I mean, let's slot that up. Look at that, look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Now the tube will go straight through that, into the loft, into that box. Bish bash bosh. There you go, that's what that looks like. Up to the ceiling. Nice, very nice. That's the hose for it, which will go into the rail there, but I need to flush it out first before I put it on. And look, right then, so it's all piped up. So now, in theory, our mate's going to touch that, put the fuse spur on.
I might need a commissioning sort of thing.
It just says run it through.
Yeah.
Push that.
Sometimes I've got to do like a weird commissioning, haven't I?
Yeah, straight through cold. Beautiful, it works well. In fact, it works a bit better than what I thought.
What, all over else?
Just push that button on, it comes on. Push that on. Yeah, running both at the same time. We don't worry about dust, keeps dust down. Bit of water, wet room floor, beautiful.
It works there.
Yep, bit too well.
Bit too fell light.
No, it's just because you haven't got a shower head on, it's just fallen straight through and splashed everywhere. Once it's got a shower head on, it's not going to come through like that.
On the novel, you can't know where
You have to,
Little knobs work just as good as big knobs.
like making it.
got some right water there.
Nice.
There's a lot of water coming out of there.
Sounds like a pump.
It is.
Is that a pump as well?
Yeah.
That thing? Oh, okay.
Otherwise you won't have it.
Oh, it's okay then, isn't it?
So,
Oh, fine, yeah.
just want to hold that up to that fan.
Beautiful.
That's not good enough, give him a book.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you want a fan?
That's actually it.
It's not even filming it, mate.
That is.
It didn't show. Tilt it up a bit.
Right, yeah, sorry. Look at that, beautiful. That's what we want.
It's quite.
That's the sort of shower you're going to get. Beautiful. Push button. That. Clicker. Nice shower that off the tank. Nice shower that off the tank.
Test temperature on it.
Different settings. Oh, that's all that I don't get. Nice.
Is it warm that?
I've got it on cold. I'm just running cold through it.
Alright.
You can just turn it up now. That's the electronics to it. Yeah, it's coming through. Beautiful. What more do you want?